Hello friends and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Here we go. Today we're making the perfect chicken burritos, better than takeout. These perfect chicken burritos are packed with juicy marinated chicken, cilantro-lime rice, seasoned beans, fresh pico de gallo, and all your favorite burrito fillings. Wrapped tight and ready for meal prep or a weekend dinner. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the entire process, from marinating the chicken to rolling, wrapping, and cutting the burritos perfectly every time. If you love bold flavors, restaurant style burritos, and make ahead meals, this one's for you. Okay, the first thing we gotta do is marinate the chicken thighs. Put those in a large bowl. Then we're gonna add olive oil, lime zest, lime juice, all the spices, salt, and pepper. We're going to get in there with our hands and mix that thoroughly until all the chicken is fully coated. Then we're going to cover that up with some plastic wrap and let that marinate for at least 30 minutes or up to 24 hours in the fridge. Now we're going to rinse our rice under cold water until it runs mostly clear. Okay, so then you're going to add your rice, your water or broth, oil, and salt to a saucepan. Then we're going to bring that to a boil. We're going to reduce the heat to low and simmer for 15 minutes. We're going to remove that from the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes. Then fluff it with a fork. Add the lime juice and the chopped cilantro to the hot rice. Gently fold until evenly distributed. Taste and adjust for salt if needed. Keep warm till needed. Okay, so now we're gonna make the pico de gallo. Right, we're gonna finally dice our tomatoes and our green peppers, and finally chop some onions. Okay, so we're going to toss all that in a large bowl, and we're going to lightly season with salt and add some lime juice and mix that up. We want to refrigerate that until we're ready to use it. Okay, we're going to add the beans to a small saucepan over medium heat. We're going to season that up with the cumin and salt and warm gently, stirring occasionally until creamy and hot. Okay, so we're going to heat a grill or a heavy skillet over medium-high heat. We're going to cook the chicken thighs for 5 to 7 minutes per side until deeply browned and the internal temperature reaches 165 Fahrenheit or 74 Celsius. Then we're going to remove that from the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes. Right, we're going to chop the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Now these are store-bought tortillas, but in a future video I'm going to teach you how to make your own at home. Anyways, warm the tortillas on a dry skillet or directly over a gas flame until soft and pliable. We're going to wrap the tortillas in a clean towel to keep them warm. Now to finish out our toppings, we're going to need some shredded cheese. Now that we have all our toppings ready to go, our cilantro-lime rice, our beans, chicken, pico de gallo, shredded cheese, and various sauces. Okay, we're going to start rolling these up so they'll lie a tortilla flat on the counter. Then we're going to add our rice mixture onto that. Then we're going to add our beans on top of the rice. And the chicken goes on top of that. And a little pico de gallo, and then any sauces you'd like to put on there, like hot sauce or... Okay, we're going to fold the sides in and start rolling from the bottom. We're going to roll that up as tight as we can. So there we go, the perfectly rolled burrito. Okay, so we can wrap these up in some foil and twist the ends up nice and tight. Now we can store these in the freezer for up to 3 months. Now you can go straight from the freezer into the air fryer. I usually do mine for about 30 minutes at 350 and turn them over halfway through. Check for internal temperature of 165. Or you can thaw those out and grill those up on the grill. Or you can pop these in the oven till they're 165 internal temperature at 74 degrees Celsius. So there you go, chicken burritos. You can freeze them, you can put them in the fridge, you can eat them right away. You can pretty much put any toppings you want on here. So there you go. Enjoy. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.